Hi everybody! I hope you enjoyed my presentation on Google Slides, which gives you an option to asynchronously lecture to your students and engage with them a little bit using your PowerPoints. Another tool that I like to use with my students a lot is VoiceThread. VoiceThread has a great embedding and plugin for Blackboard, and it allows students to comment on lectures using their voice. They can make videos, they can use their phone. So I like it. I use the mobile app on my phone quite frequently. And I find that students like it as well because the engagement is there. So I'm going to show you what it looks like compared. So one of the things is you can sign in with your ODU account. So I like to cheat and just type in kripper.odu.edu. It will ask me if I'm trying to sign in with ODU, and I click Old Dominion University, and then it logs me in with my ODU account. I have my Midas credentials saved in my computer. It might take you to your Midas page and ask you to log in. So you can see that I do use it quite frequently. What you do is you come over to Create, and you just put your PowerPoint in. So I go to my computer, and here's that old lecture and I might say Lecture 1. You could put a tag, you could put a description if you wanted to. It takes sometimes a few minutes to load, but what it'll do is it'll make a little square for every single one of my slides. And once it does that, then you can go through and add the comments. So I'm going to pause for a second while it loads all of my PowerPoints, and then I'll be back to walk you through the other steps. So all of my slides are loaded. That took about 3 minutes. And what I can do is I can now click on them, and I can edit them if I need to. So I can put a title here. I can add a link. So if you want to have a link to a YouTube video on this slide, you can. The next thing that I do is I add my voice or video or question text comments to each slide. So you go to comment, and this is what it'll look like for students as well. And so they have this button down here in the middle, and you can type a text comment, you can have it call you, and you can use your phone to record your voice. You could just do voice from your computer or device, your video, or you could actually upload something here. So let me show you an example of what I mean. I like to do video, obviously. Hi students, welcome to class today. This lecture is going to walk you through what we would have done in class this Tuesday. Please go through and comment on each slide by Thursday, and then respond to your peers, at least 2 or 3 of them, by Sunday. And then just hit save. And so now this appears right here. And down here in the right hand corner, I can go to my next slide. And so this time I might just add a little text thing. Here's our agenda. Have you used Remind before? Next slide, I might go through here and I might just do voice. Please let me know if you have any issues with texting to join our Remind group. It's important that you use the phone number 81010, and that in the body of your first text message you put the @ symbol 42B84D9. Okay, and so I would go through each of the slides, or maybe every other slide, and I would put those things in. I can hit the X right here. It takes me back. One of the things that I often find helpful is I hit Add Media, and I'll actually make a webcam photo or a webcam video for my students. And so you can do that right here in VoiceThread. So you go to webcam video, and it's already starting. Thank you for taking a moment to go through our lecture and to talk with me and your peers. Now I'd like you to work on your module assignment, and please have a draft ready by the end of the week. And so once that's done processing, there'll be a video here as well. When you're ready to share, you can of course add a cover art to your lecture. You can add different things. You hit share. And I always go to basic. I allow anyone to view and comment. I don't like to set up who has access and passwords, but if you do like to do that, you can set up passwords. You can keep it locked down. So I like to hit copy link, and I take that link and then I check it out as a student. So let me log out. Now let's see here. Here's what my lecture looks like. Students can listen. There I am. Then the next one, they can read my text, they can hear my voice, and they can comment back. They can hit right here, sign in. They would sign in with their credentials. Let me use my old student one. Okay, and now I can comment back and I can say, I can't get in, Dr. Rippard. Help. And so they can go through very easily and add their comments as well. And so that's how it looks. You can see sometimes your PowerPoint slides, the formatting is a little bit off. So I would do a very basic PowerPoint. I would make the background just white and black, as basic as possible, so that everything is really clear and easy to use. So I hope that's helpful for you. One of the things that VoiceThread also offers is embedding. You can get the code and you can put it right into your Blackboard. If you'd like help with that, or you have questions about that, if that's something you'd like to do within your modules or your announcements, let me know, because I'm perfectly willing to help you with that. Talk to you soon.